Why are you so insecure? Why are you so insecure about the things that you know could be helpful? Oh, school bus. Yeah, that city bus is fine as hell. But we're all raised our southern ways. But you know what I'd rather say? It's all love for the cousins, and you already know our southern ways. Just for the thrill of it. Just for the drill of it. Yeah. Old school was. Why do you have to be so shy? When you are the one who said, I will never forget you. Oh, city bus. Oh, city bus. Ain't no comparison on what's coming next. Oh, city bus. Oh, city bus. Now I had to go down to the deep end, watching everybody sink in. Just watching everybody cruise in their bus for a weekend. Don't know why buses don't rise on Sundays. But you know what, I just have to sit here and say, I'm amazed by what you can do. I'ma get right next to you as I ride my doorstep. There's no give and take anymore. Now I can't take and give and take without you, so there's no give and take anymore without you. Yeah. You already know who's living it up until our time up. Even after the beat stop, I'ma keep going. Till you already know who's living it up until our time up. I can do country rap, I can do all kinds of shit that makes other people jealous. I am from the country, and if you don't like it, you can meet me at the funeral home. And I'm not making no threats, I'm not making no bets at this point. Better yet, you can meet me at the backwoods. Funeral would be too easy. We fight for what's rightfully ours, and we stick to our script, and we do what we're supposed to. We don't care who is there, and we don't give a damn who is there, and you already know who's living it up until our time's up. You already know who is the South Side. Sorry, countryman. From Cheatham County, Tennessee. And it's as real as it gets. I already know who's living the six figures because you already know who's talking out the side of their ass. I'm Redneck, Ratchet, and I stick to my script. VIP section, I'm gonna give you a diss. You already know who's still in the flow, starting the show. Pop lock and knock your nose. Yeah. I am Redneck Ratchet, bitch. You don't like it? It's tough. Tough titty, said the kitty. Yeah.